In this video, I'll guide you through how to connect Typeform to Google Sheets. This is a fantastic way to streamline your data collection process by automatically sending responses from your forms directly into a spreadsheet, saving you time and effort. Whether you're gathering survey responses, contact information, or any other type of data, integrating Typeform with Google Sheets can greatly enhance your workflow efficiency. Let's get started by heading over to typeform.com. Once you're on the website, make sure you're logged into your account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to sign up for one, but assuming you're ready, go ahead and log in. After logging in, you'll be directed to your dashboard. Here, you'll see a list of your existing forms. Select the form for which you want to connect to Google Sheets. If you haven't created a form yet, you might want to take a moment to set one up. Once you've selected the form, click on it to open the form editor. Now that you're in the form editor, look towards the top of the page. You'll see a series of tabs or buttons. Click on the tab labeled Connect. This section is where you can integrate your form with various apps and services. It's like a hub of possibilities where you can enhance how your form interacts with other tools. In the Connect section, you'll find a variety of integrations available. Scroll through the list until you find Google Sheets. Once you've located it, click on Connect. If it's your first time connecting Typeform to Google Sheets, you might be prompted to authorize access. This is perfectly normal as Typeform needs permission to send data to your Google account. Follow the on-screen instructions to authorize and grant the necessary permissions. This might include allowing Typeform to view and manage your spreadsheets, so just be sure you're comfortable with these permissions before proceeding. Once you've done that, the connection between Typeform and Google Sheets should be established. Now, you'll need to select the Google Sheet where you want your Typeform responses to be sent. If you already have a sheet created, you can simply select it from the list. If you don't have one yet, you can create a new spreadsheet directly from this interface. This is a great feature because it allows you to set up everything without having to leave the Typeform site. Once you've selected or created your spreadsheet, you'll need to map the fields from your Typeform to the columns in your Google Sheet. This step is crucial because it determines how your data will be organized once it's transferred. Take a moment to carefully align each Typeform question with its corresponding column in the spreadsheet. After mapping the fields, finalize the connection. You might see a confirmation message indicating that your Typeform is now successfully connected to Google Sheets. With this setup, anytime someone completes your Typeform, their responses will automatically populate into the designated Google Sheet. And there you have it. You've successfully connected Typeform to Google Sheets. This integration not only saves you the hassle of manual data entry, but also ensures that your data remains accurate and up to date. By following these steps, you can efficiently manage your data and focus more on analyzing the insights rather than gathering them. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial was helpful for you.